Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If it's your first time stopping by, my name is Sophie. So today's video is gonna be all about iPhone X, and if you're watching right now, you probably want to know more about it. Please make sure you like, subscribe, share, and all those shenanigans. And let's get right into this video. Act number 1. So this is for my AirPods gang. Did you know you can actually spy on people with just your AirPods? So cool. So all you need to do is go to your settings and go to your control center, customize controls, and just add earring to it. So now just turn on your Bluetooth and connect it to your AirPods. Now just swipe down your notification bar and click on the earring, and you can just turn this on. This is so cool because you can listen to yourself speaking, you can listen to people at the end of the room without them actually know. You can listen to the conversations clearly. Even when they're whispering, you can hear them so fast. Like the AirPods catches voices so quick even if they're far away. How cool is that? Act number 2. Did you know you can actually increase the quality of your filming? If you film on your phone or you just film videos on your camera roll, you can actually increase the quality of it by going to settings, going to camera roll, and record video. Any iPhone settings usually just stops at 1080p HD. That's like the automatic your phone comes in when it comes to the video quality. But to get the best, you can always put your option to 4K at 60 fps. But with this, I would say it takes a lot of space on your phone. So if you haven't got enough space on your phone, I wouldn't really recommend it. Only maybe if you film and then you quickly edit and then you can delete it. Apart from that, if you've got space on your phone, then you can always put it in 4K. And if you go to your camera roll and video, you get the best quality even when you zoom in and zoom out. Act number 3. So this is a quick access feature on your phone. So instead of going the traditional way of like connecting to your Wi-Fi or Bluetooth or your mobile data, of always going into settings to do this and connecting, what you can do is swipe down your notification bar on the right, long press on the Wi-Fi option, long press on the Wi-Fi option again, and you can easy access other Wi-Fi just through your notification bar. Also, the same thing applies to Bluetooth as well. Long press on Bluetooth, long press again, and then you can easy connect to your AirPods or your any other devices you want to connect to, and your mobile data as well, your hotspot menu as well, AirDrop as well. Instead of going all the way to settings, you could easily put it on this way, and there you go. Act number 4. So this is a quick and easy one. You can pretty much do anything in your control center here. So swipe down. This is a brightness act. So long press on your brightness, and you can just change to dark mode off or your dark mode on. So my dark mode is off right now, and let's try that on my so I've got my light mode, and to turn that off, just go back to my brightness and turn back off, and there you go, instead of going to your settings. So this act is going to be tricky because I'm actually doing it right now, so I'm gonna see if I can actually make it work. So act number 4, 5, I can't remember, I've lost count. if you want to make like a video like this and you want your voice over to be, let's say you're screen recording and you want your voice to be just like this one, instead of going to like editing apps and having to record your voice on top of it, or let's say you're uploading for YouTube or just a reaction, or you're trying to send it to your friend and you're trying to like highlight, or I don't know, do something on your Instagram, or record something and send it to someone and you want to explain and you want your voice to be heard, all you have to do is again swipe down your control center, and on the screen record voice, the microphone needs to be on. Usually if you check your phone right now, it's not gonna be on, and all you have to do is just turn it on and then start recording. Basically that's it. But right now I can't really turn it off because I'm recording this right now. Does that make sense? Yeah. Act number, I don't know, I can't remember. So this one, I feel like most people might know this already or might not know this. So if you do, you get messages in public and you don't want people looking at your messages even before you actually open them, or you just get messages and you don't want to see the message but still get the notification. So all you have to do is go to notifications, show preview. Usually your phone automatically comes in always. All you want to do is put never, and with this, if you get notifications, it will only say the app that it comes from, let's say WhatsApp or Instagram, without actually showing you what the message is. So this hack is all about your email. So if you want to send email without actually using your laptop and make it look fancy instead of like the traditional way of emailing like I'm doing right now. So this is just to make it look nice and have like your borders and colors. Now I'm just creating like a fake email just so I can preview this and show you what I mean. There's so much you can play around with this. So now I'm just gonna select the name so I can change the font. So now you can change your font, you can have different fonts. Yeah, just make it look nice. You can play around with this. You can change the border, you can make it bold, you can change colors, just so many things you can do by just clicking the arrow on the right. There's actually so many fonts you can play with, like a lot of fonts. I'm just gonna change my dark mode to light mode just so you can see the beauty of this. You can also add a picture, just do so many things instead of just the typical email you send, and it's still gonna look professional. And there you go, look how beautiful this is. So this last hack is to scan documents if you can't access what's it called, a scanner, or you can't go to the cafe and you need to send a picture professionally urgently through your email, or just send a scanned document basically. So go on the files option and then the top corner right, click on the three buttons there, and you can take a picture of what you want to scan. And just look at this cool effect where it actually looks like an email. It looks like it was sent to you. No, you wouldn't really guess this is actually like a paper document. So yeah, I'm just gonna try and adjust it and crop out my hand so it doesn't look like I actually took the picture. Yeah, you could just tweak around it just so it looks very neat. And when you select the file, you can actually change it if you just want it black and white, or if you want it like another color. And to be honest, professionally, you either want it colored or you want it black and white. So now just save it on your phone or to your iCloud or to your Word and just save it. You can even tap on the share button and share the file as an email or as a message from here as well. That's all the acts I've got for this video. Actually, I've got more, but I really do not want this video to be long. So if you want to see a part 2 iPhone acts, please comment down below and I'll sure to upload that. I really hope you enjoyed this video and a lot of things are new to you because they're so cool. Thanks for watching. Please share, like, subscribe and all those shenanigans, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.